The history of the School of Engineering goes back to the 19th century, when Juan del Corral had the idea of creating the first Colombian military engineers school, which was under the direction of Francisco José de Caldas in 1814. There were many attempts to start engineering studies in Universidad de Antioquia. The School of Military Engineers was the first attempt to start engineering studies at Universidad de Antioquia. In 1871, Pedro Justo Berrío refounded Universidad de Antioquia. One of the schools was engineering, which was opened on January 10, 1874. 14 students registered in the school. In 1876, Universidad de Antioquia was closed due to the Civil War. In 1877, engineering school was abolished. Many important characters from both the region and the country have been closely related to the history of the school. Francisco José de Caldas, José Félix de Restrepo, José María Córdoba, and Pedro Nel Ospina, among many others. In the 20th century, specifically in the year 1943, the Second World War interrupted the arrival of raw materials to the country for the chemical industry, a fact which motivated Governor Pedro Claver Aguirre to propose that an institution were created in Universidad de Antioquia to educate engineers who would devote not only to the production of these raw materials, but also to the development of knowledge in chemistry. On January 26, 1943, Directive Council of the Universidad de Antioquia created the School of Chemical Sciences. Its first director was teacher Alfredo Restrepo, who began academic activities with 27 students on a yard with desks borrowed from Centro Formativo de Antioquia CEFA. Later, two programs of studies started in the school. One was the beginning of Pharmaceutical Chemistry School, and the other one became Chemical Engineering School. After several changes in its program of study, and after the change of its name for School of Chemical Sciences in 1957, this school became the School of Chemical Engineering, and when Dr. Ignacio Vélez Escobar was the principal of Universidad de Antioquia in the 60s, there was a transformation in both academic structure and physical aspect of the university due to the construction of university campus. Currently, engineering school is regarded as one of the best engineering schools in the country. In Universidad de Antioquia, engineering school is one of the schools with more students. About 6,500 students are registered in the undergraduate programs: chemical engineering, electronic engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, sanitary engineering, industrial engineering, materials engineering, computer science engineering, bioengineering, civil engineering, telecommunication engineering, and environmental engineering. Engineering school takes up 4 buildings with modern laboratories, appropriate equipment, auditoriums with technological aids, and classrooms for its teaching, research, and extension activities. The most modern building is Block 19. This building was designed with climate treatment for its spaces. It has laboratories, classrooms, drafting rooms, study zones with wireless access to internet, and an auditorium which houses 200 people. Academic behavior of the engineering school is shown in its graduate programs. There are specialization programs in high management with emphasis in quality, finances, preparation and evaluation of projects, integral logistics, environment and geoinformatics, environmental management, and maintenance management. Graduate programs in the school have a major area in engineering and minor areas with emphasis in chemistry, environment, energy, electronics, materials, informatic technology, and industrial engineering. In PhD programs, the school offers lines in environment and materials engineering. In July 2008, CNA, National Council of Accreditation, granted certification to the PhD program in electronic engineering for 7 years. In order to support regional development, the School of Engineering opened the Computer Science Engineering Program of Studies at Bajo Cauca, whose headquarters is located in the municipality of Caucasia. Likewise, in the Southwest Sectional, located in the municipality of Andes, industrial engineering and computer science engineering programs of studies were opened.